What's up, Dirt Watchers? This video will explain how I detailed 90% of this Toyota Odyssey without actually scrubbing or cleaning it in any traditional way. The story behind this flea, mold, and stain-infested hand-me-down van was that the Marine who owned it went on a mock deployment and his roommate left the window down for a couple of months, and ultimately it grew mold amongst the dog hair and heavily soiled carpets. What do you think I should have charged for this Hercules of a job? Comment below and let me know. Now, the way I decided to approach this was to first and foremost bomb the vehicle for fleas for my safety, then remove the carpet and the seats and treat them with mold killer. I used star bits for all the seat bolts, and I had some difficulty with the second and third row seat removals. But I found out that the second row seats must be raised up perpendicular completely before they will disengage. Shout out to YouTube for that. After I carefully and methodically disconnected all the airbags and figured out the headrest monitor wires did not disconnect, I had to make a slit in the carpet in an inconspicuous area in order to bypass the wires so I could remove the front seats. Next, I pulled the vinyl trim in the middle console and ripped that nasty carpet out of its layer of mold infestation. And I was definitely masked up. I sprayed with mold destroyer and power washed it with hot water and hung up and allowed to dry for about 2 days. Some of the cushion material under the carpet was removed due to its level of mold accumulation. The customer was cool with that issue. After it dried, I dyed the carpet a granite color that was darker than the original carpet color, yet still matched the seats and interior. Anything was better than the color of those stains. I must say the removal was less painstaking than reinstalling everything. I did have to do a complete wipe down of the plastics on the interior, and I used a drill brush on some of the seats. But steaming them and power washing the bottom of each seat was necessary due to the mold growing underneath it. Consequently, I allowed these seats to sit for a week before placing them back in the van just to be safe. I used an ozone machine and scent bomb to make it smell fresh and clean. Luckily, I had 2 weeks to perform this restoration detail. The veteran was more than happy with the results, and he left me a 5-star review. That brought me to 65 5-star reviews as of today. I've been doing this for 8 years now. Typically, I only did car lots. Now I do Google ads and I only do street customers. I love the transformations, making a lot more money, doing a lot less cars. Subscribe if you like it too. Thanks for the support.